Hello students! Today I'm going to show you how to use Flipgrid. So here we are in eLearn in our week 1 assignments. All you need to do is click on the sign up and you'll notice there's also what's called a flip code. You see here, a flip code. And this is the flip code, Utaatu 3176. So you can highlight that and you can push Control C. That copies that. So we're going to go over now. Here's what it opened up. Flipgrid. And up at the top here, it says enter a flip code. So you're going to click that. And here, you click in this box to join a grid. The grid is basically the videos for our class. So now you're going to push Control V on your computer, and that will paste in the flip code. Then you click the arrow, go to my grid. This will open up our classroom in Flipgrid. Now you're going to click log in with Google. You're going to pick your Google account. You can also use your Shemeketa, whichever one you have. Okay, so now you're going to go down, and here is the first assignment. It says Introductions. So you go down here. Here is a video that I just made, and here is the button to make your own. So let's click on the Add button. So when you do that, it's going to tell you, unless you already have Adobe Flash, that you need to click this to allow Adobe Flash. And I'm going to click Allow once. Then you need to log in with Google again. Not sure why. Maybe if I put Remember Me. Now log in. Select your account. And from here, you should be able to record your video. Your video is going to be very short. You have about 1.5 minutes to record your video. You can start your recording and then delete it if you don't like it and try it again. For example, let's see what happens. Hey guys! And then if you mess up, you can click here to redo. Are you sure? Yes. Okay, now you try again. Okay? So if you decide that you do like it, let's make one that we do like. Oops. Cancel. Okay, so it's recording, right? You can look up here and tell if it's recording. Did I pause it? Oh no, it's going. Okay, so then you click next and you can review your video. Let's make one. Then you click next again. Come on. and it's going to want you to do a selfie so you can take your picture. You can also download a selfie from your computer. Then you click next. Obviously, that's not a good selfie. Okay, and then it's going to load it up. You can put a title. So put your name. And you don't need to worry about a link. Then you click Submit Video. And that's all you do. Now, you're going to need to leave a response on someone else's video. So you're going to watch somebody's. Is it recording? Okay, and so click here, the little talk bubbles, and now you can record a response to your classmate. So you're going to need to record a response to at least 2 of your classmates. And this just does the same thing. So you'd be like, hey, I really liked what you said. I want to go camping too. So that's all there is to it. That is Flipgrid. Have fun with it.